Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will explain about how to update data in a PHP. Okay, as we know, PHP is a language that acts as a medium for a programmer to access the database. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is my database that name bookstore F. Okay, in this database, we have a two table, which is admin and book. Okay, in book table we have attribute book name and book category. For admin we have username and password. Okay, so let's get start to a login page. Okay, this is a login page. Okay, so login page. Okay, so the first step is okay, I use to create this page I use HTML as it is for only for display. Okay, so as we look here, we have a text box. So we use input type, which ID is username and a password. Okay, so this code is use action for process.php that which is it will link to the process page, and we use method post. Okay, actually post is an array that hold information submitted through post method. So in a post method, it have a contain keys and value. So keys is the name of form control, and value is what we want to send. For process page, okay, this page will process the username that and password that user input. So it will check is it the password and username is correct as in a database. Okay, so to start and to make this login page to more interesting, we use a style. So this style page will explain about how to make a background, how to make a border, width, colors and others. Okay, so let's say I will enter my username and password. Okay, so it will turn to home page. Okay, let's say if I entered the wrong password and username. Let's say I enter Farah, but I entered the wrong password. See, the page will output fail to log in. Okay, so next we turn into my home page. So this is this website is about a bookstore. So welcome to Rainbow Bookstore. Okay, so for bookstore page, so this is my home page. Okay, as we see, this web homepage will display about all element in the database. So we have a book name and book category. Okay, so the step is, okay, first of all we need to connect with our database. So we use okay, so declare PHP in a HTML. So we use the MySQL connect underscore connect. So the things that required to in the bracket is the server name, the username, password, and our database name. Okay, so if the database is not successful connect, so it will show it will display could not connect to MySQL. Okay, to display this table, all the table, so okay, we need to use SQL command. So to use the SQL command, we need to declare SQL. Okay, so select all attribute from table name. Okay, so MySQL fetch assoc is used to display element in the database. So it will do the iteration and display all the element by row. Okay, so to display we use to echo command. Okay, so we have a book name and book category. Okay, as what we see, we have update and delete button link. So to make this, we used a hash reference, so it will link to the update book page, and class del button. Okay, this class is used to perform a delete operation, so it will link to delete book page. Okay, so let's start with update book. Okay, so let's try if I click the update. Okay, so it will show the book number. Okay, for this system, update is used for to update the category book. Okay, so how? Okay, the step is first we must do the connection to the database. Okay, then we use the if set. Okay, if set that used to check whether a variable is set or not. So this this is set. Okay, this will display the option value of the book num as we see here. Okay, so we can choose any book number to update. So let's say I choose A03, so I will click to proceed. Okay, so do here. As if we submit it to profit, then it will perform the it will perform the update operation. So as usual, we must declare SQL to perform SQL command. Then we use MySQL fetch array. Okay, let's see now the post script use hold the submit value. So if the submit value equal to proceed, it will perform the update operation. Okay, so if update is submit equal to update, with then I will click update later. So it will use it will do the operation update. Say for book A03, I want to update the category book to child book. So we click update. Okay, let's check. So A03 will turn to the child book. Okay, next we turn to the delete book. Okay, delete book page. Okay, this delete book page will receive it will send the book num. So at delete book, it use get method. Okay, get method, so it will use it will receive the delete. So okay, it declare book num equal to what it received. Okay, so then it will perform the delete of the SQL operation. Okay, so this, if it is a successfully delete from the database, so it will show the address deleted. Okay, then it will update to the bookstore page. I want to delete all element in the book number A02, so I just click delete button. Okay, so the result only left A00, A01 and A03 book only.